The CommServe Disaster Recovery Backup protects the control plane in the event of a disaster. By default, the CommServe database is protected daily to Commvault Cloud, ensuring you can access and recover your control plane backups when needed. To configure or confirm this is enabled, in Command Center, from the left-hand navigation pane, expand Manage and select System. Then click the Maintenance tile. DR Backup settings can be adjusted in the DR Backup tile. From the More drop-down, you can select to manually run a DR backup, or from the Edit button, you can change the configuration. CommServe DR Backups are by default automatically uploaded every day at 10 AM to Commvault Cloud storage when the DR backup runs. This can be enabled or disabled via the toggle switch. Now, in the event of a disaster where you cannot access local copies of your DR backup, you can rest assured knowing that Commvault has an air-gapped copy stored in cloud. To access this, log into the Cloud Services portal and view your CommServe dashboard. If you have multiple CommCells, ensure you have the correct one selected. Then, from the Support and Services tile, click the date of the last run DR backup. This will show the last 5 retained DR backups. At the top, you can click to manually retain jobs, view recovery requests, request access, and view the download history. Commvault provides capabilities to test CommServe DR restores if your environment has the CommServe Recovery Validation Service. For more information, contact your Commvault account representative. To download your DR backups, select the DR Backup Set folder, noting that all users of the company can view the DR backup files available in the set folders, but only recovery managers are allowed to download the files. This role can be assigned by an admin user in the Cloud Services portal. Click the database you wish to download to launch the download. Once your downloads are complete, recover the CommServe database using the Recovery Assistant tool.